Xiaomi is giving the public one of its clearest looks yet at how humanoid robots could become a regular part of modern vehicle production. Instead of showing another carefully edited technology demonstration, the company released an uncut video that follows its humanoid robots performing a real manufacturing task inside its electric vehicle factory. The footage highlights the robots continuously sorting center console side covers, a job that sounds simple at first, but is actually one of the more difficult challenges in industrial automation. Unlike rigid metal components, these plastic interior panels vary slightly in shape, flex while being handled, and can become tangled with neighboring parts. A robot has to recognize each piece, grab it without causing damage, remove it cleanly from a storage bin, and place it into the correct location while maintaining a steady production pace. Even small mistakes can slow an assembly line, making reliability just as important as speed. According to Xiaomi, the robots have been training in real factory conditions for about 4 months. During that time, their performance has steadily improved across several manufacturing jobs. One of the biggest milestones is a reported 98% success rate when tightening self-tapping nuts, bringing the robots remarkably close to the level expected from experienced factory workers. For the center console side cover sorting task shown in the new video, Xiaomi says the robots are now achieving approximately 90% success. The company also revealed that these machines are learning much more than simply moving parts from one container to another. They are capable of folding reusable logistics boxes, transporting materials between workstations, removing protective films, and installing vehicle badges. Each assignment teaches the robots how to interact with different objects, surfaces, and production environments while improving their overall coordination and precision. One reason this latest demonstration is receiving so much attention is because the video is uncut. Technology companies often publish highlight reels that only show successful moments, but Xiaomi instead allowed viewers to watch continuous operation over an extended period. That provides a better picture of how the robots perform during repetitive work, where consistency matters far more than an impressive single demonstration. The robots rely on advanced computer vision, force sensing, and artificial intelligence to complete these tasks. They constantly adjust their grip while handling flexible parts, detect resistance through their hands, and make small corrections during movement to improve accuracy. Xiaomi says this combination allows the robots to adapt to slight differences in part positioning instead of repeating identical motions every cycle. The video also shows multiple robotic systems working inside the production facility, including a humanoid robot and a mobile robotic platform equipped with humanoid-style arms. Together, they move through an active factory environment alongside automated equipment, demonstrating how different robotic platforms can work together rather than relying on a single machine for every task. Perhaps the biggest takeaway is that Xiaomi appears to be moving beyond experimental demonstrations and toward practical manufacturing deployment. The company openly acknowledges that some operations, such as aligning hidden clips and connectors, still need improvement, but the steady increase in success rates suggests meaningful progress. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, scenes like these could become a common sight inside automotive factories around the world. For now, Xiaomi's latest demonstration offers an exciting glimpse at how humanoid robots may soon become valuable co-workers on future production lines.